In this video, we are going to show you a fun intermediate combination in Bachata Sensual using arm movements and the hips. Let's go!
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I hit the road in overdrive, baby. This city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you...
Okay guys, so for this one we start in the open position and we do a two-hand turn for the lady. So we go in 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure to prepare with both hands in 5, 6. And now guys, in 7, we break the arm in 7, 8. So guys, you are here, you turn the lady 5, 6, and on 7, when she comes back to us, the left hand, our left hand goes through this hand, and this one goes down. Left up, right down here, and we grab it here right away.
It's very important that you do the break with your own arm, so the leader, and not with the woman arm, because then you would give a lot of impulse and I would move my arm down. When the leader does this, you have to stay here and wait because he didn't give you any impulse with the hands.
We go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we grab the arm in 1, 2, and 3, we do a circle to the outside in 1, 2, and we bring the arm to the back of the lady in 3, tap. And this hand stays here, applying pressure so that we have tension in our arms. And this hand comes to this side. From here, we have a lot of tension in our arms, and with our hips and our body, we are going to lead the hip pendulum in 5, 6, and we go back in 7, 8. We do it again in 1, 2, and we finish in 3, 4. So guys, make sure to not lead only with your body, with your hands, for example, like this in tag, and you don't do anything, but make sure that you are also doing the movement and you are keeping your frame. So you are here in 4 and you go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So don't make the mistake of doing 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 because it's not comfortable for the lady, and we also want to dance, and we don't want that the lady feels like she's our puppet and we are just playing with her, but we're also dancing in a couple.
Yes, and the leading is a lot clearer when you really do the movement with the woman, so she can understand when you start the movement and also when you want to stop it. So as a follower, you always need to wait for the leader, what he's doing, and not to your movement too slow to the music. Always focus on what he's leading.
Yes. And also guys, make sure that not only you're doing the movement, but we are isolating our upper body. So we're only moving our hips, and we are trying, in this case, to keep the upper body in place. So the move is small. It's not that big, because if we start changing our weight too much, then the upper body will start doing the movement as well. So just keep it small in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. And now in 3, 4 is where we go back to the place. So we do it a little bit bigger in 3, 4. And we prepare the turn, because with this hand we turn the lady in 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, and very important that you keep the frame here when you're on this side. So this is where he leads a lot, and also especially when you go up. Yes. And when you do the side-to-side movement, make sure to really pull your hip to the sides and not only keep it here in the middle, but really exaggerate a little bit.
So for the ladies, from this point of view, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for the leaders in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe to our channel and check out these other videos that we are sure are going to help you a lot to improve your bachata sensual dance. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye bye!